From delivering food on the streets to breaking a national record on the track. That's the inspiring journey of Zedric Ivan Honorica, who turned heads in the 2026 Asian Track Championships at the Tagaytay City Velodrome. The 21-year-old former food delivery rider set a new Philippine record in the men's elite sprint, clocking 10.865 seconds and raising a 20-year-old national mark. What makes the feat even more impressive, Honorica did it using a bike he put together through hard-earned savings from his delivery job. A far cry from the high-end equipment used by some of Asia's top riders.
Simula po talaga nung pagkabata ko, hili ko na talaga yung pagbibisikleta pero hindi po talaga ako nabibigyan. So, neto lang din pong mga nakaraang taon, nakapag-provide na po akong makabili ng bike. And ayun po, nag-start ako as a delivery rider.
Honorica said his passion for cycling grew even more after he finally got his own bike. From there, he started joining friends in local races. And what began as simple rides soon turned into something much bigger.
Nakilala ko po yung mga tropa ko na kumakarera and ayun po, sabi ko, natuwa ako na may karera and nag-try ako kumarera and ayun, maganda naman po yung naging mga resulta ng karera. And
his break came earlier this year when he saw a Facebook post about a power test for interested riders. He took the chance and made it count.
Nung nakita po namin nung kaibigan ko na may pa-power test si Coach Virgilio, tinake po namin as opportunity. Then, ayun po, napapasok naman po ako sa power test. Ayun, nag-top 2 po ako sa power test.
According to national coach Virgilio Espirito, Honorica immediately stood out among nearly 100 aspirants.
Isa siya na sa napili dahil sa consistency niya sa pag-produce ng mga matataas na wattage.
Now, Honorica is shifting his focus from food delivery to cycling while continuing his studies. And for those who dream of following the same path, he has this message.
Pagpatuloy lang nila, pagbutihan nila, and wag na magkakalimutan yung pag-aaral.
From making deliveries to making his mark for the country, Zedric Honorica's ride is only just beginning. Mobile Journal, Denise Valdesancho, we are One News.